now we are going to learn the concept of console in JavaScript. So what I'm going to do, I will make a new file here. Even you can use the same file, but I do not want to make you guys confused, so I will use a new file here, or I will make a new file here, name, and I'm going to name it as console.js, and I will also make a new file of HTML, console.html, console.html. Fine, we will use the same method here, and after that I'm going to connect my HTML with JavaScript. Here you have to write the name of your HTML file, console.js, and after that I'm just going to write my JS here and will make a new space here. Okay, now how to write console? What is console? Okay, let me show you here. Here is my console file. Okay, console file means you just press click and right click and on mouse and just click on inspect, and after that you will see here a console file. Everything that you will see here is known as console. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will make some changes in our JS code. So I will write here console.log and checking console, or you can write anything that you want. Even you can write hello world program in console. Okay, let me reload this. You will see nothing here. You just have to click right click on mouse and click on this inspect, and after that you have to go into console section. Click on this console, and here you can see one message mean checking console, and it's working fine. After that, what I'm going to do, I will make some changes in the console.log, and I will write hello world program, hello world in JS. Fine. After that, let me show is it working. Okay, let me refresh, and here you can see hello world in JS. Fine. After that, I will also teach you and one other console.var. What is console.1? This is warning in console. This is warning in console. This is warning. Fine. And let me see, is it working? Yeah, you can see this is a yellow caution, and you can see this is warning. And after that, I will also show you one other console, and console name is console.error, and this is an error in console. So this is the concept of console in JS, and let me reload this, and here you can see the red one is the error, and the yellow one is the warning, and the blue one is the simple message or a user message. Here you can see hello world in this hello world in JavaScript. This is warning, and this is an error in console. Okay, now one more thing is that alert function or alert in JS. So how we use alert? You can also use in the answer like this index.js, and after that you can use, let me comment this first, control slash, and after that you can use alert, write alert, and here you can write the answer is C, a colon, a comma, and C. Okay, let me check. We have to open index here, and you can see here the answer is C, is not showing correctly. The answer is okay, nothing showing here. The answer is C. Okay, let me check it again. Control R. Okay, let me remove the quotation in the alert, and let me write C only, and let's check its output again, and I will refresh this, control R, and here you can see its answer is 3000, and this is alert function in JS. And let me also write here console dot, sorry for that, alert, simply write alert, and this is alert. Okay, now let's check its output, and this is console, and here you can see this is the alert. Okay, now fine, here you can also write something else in the home page, like document.write. after the after the alert, you are seeing this. Okay, now let's reload this, and this is the alert, and after the alert you are seeing this. So this is the basic concept of console, console.log, console.warn, console.error, and also alert in JS.